Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Hacienda. Ribbit here. Today we're going to do something interesting. We're not really cooking much. Well, we are going to be grilling. We're going to do an andouille sausage taste test. And why are we doing andouille sausage? Well, why not? But the weather is turning cooler. Right around the corner, it's that time for one pot belly warming meals. And so we're going to determine which is the best andouille sausage because I got some Cajun gumbo right around the corner. So let's check it out. We're going to compare Aidells Cajun style andouille, Sam's Choice Cajun style andouille, and Johnsonville New Orleans andouille recipe smoked sausage. Now all of them in the tradition of andouille are made with pork. Alright, Aidells, 12 ounces, I paid $4.98. Johnsonville, 14 ounces, paid $3.14. And Sam's Choice, 12 ounces, $3.90. So, let's check out these packages and see what's in them. Oh boy. Alright, Aidells. All natural smoked sausage made with pork, no added hormones, no artificial ingredients. Contains no artificial ingredients and minimally processed. Alright, so the ingredients here are pork, water, contains 2% of less of the following: sea salt, garlic, spices, sugar, paprika, celery, and dehydrated onion. Alright, this is out of an outfit called Aidells Sausage, San Lorenzo, California. Alright, so that seems pretty tasty, all natural there. Let's check out Sam's Choice. That's the all natural smoked sausage made with pork, all natural, no nitrates or nitrites. Alright, so let's check out these ingredients. The ingredient listing is pork, water, salt, roasted garlic, spices, sugar, paprika, celery powder, and dehydrated onion. Alright, simple enough. And it doesn't say where it's made, it's just distributed by Walmart, Bentonville, Arkansas. Alright, so they look pretty good too. So Johnsonville, New Orleans andouille recipe, made with 100% premium pork. Alright, let's read the ingredients. Pork, water, salt, and less than 2% of the following: corn syrup, potassium lactate, spices, paprika, dextrose, natural flavors. And here we have something interesting: sodium diacetate, sodium erythorbate, sodium nitrite. Okay, so this doesn't say it's all natural, and this is out of Johnsonville, Sheboygan Falls, Wisconsin. Alright, so they promise to be good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grill a couple each, and then we're going to come back and do the taste test. So join me then. Okay, here we go. After about 10-15 minutes on indirect heat at the grill, we have the Aidells, the Sam's, and the Johnsonville. So let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, this one has a nice snap. It's got casing, so that's already good. Let's see, can you see this? The meat? Looks like there's solid muscle meat in there. Let's try it. Mmm. That's hot. Mmm. Solid chunks of meat in there. Natural casing. Mmm. Garlicky. Nice set of spices in there. Wow. Right out of the ballpark, that one's good. Man. And in full honesty, people, I'm not getting any recompense, any payback, anything from these manufacturers. And I will also add that I have never tried any one of them before. So this is the first for both of us. Alright, so that was really good. Let's try this one. This is a Sam's Choice. Again, casing. Not as snappy as that one. This meat is much more finely ground. Can you see that? It still looks good. Not ground into a paste, but more finely ground. So let's try this one. Much less garlic than that one. More pronounced pepper and paprika in that one. I like that. Wow. I think that one's a little bit more balanced than that with the seasonings, but they're both good. Wow. Okay, let's move on. Alright, this cut was a disappointment. No snap, although it does say the ingredients have collagen for a casing. This grind is much finer than that one, and clearly finer than that one, and it is almost like a hot dog. I'd say it looks like a Hebrew National. So let's taste it. Very salty. Very, very salty. Very little casing feeling in there. Lots of pronounced sugar. I got a lot of sugar corn syrup in that baby. Spices, center of the road. That one's designed to be as inoffensive to as many people as possible. I do not think I would consider it andouille. New Orleans style? New Orleans andouille recipe? Yeah. Andouille, no. These two are. So let me try this one more time. Oh. Yeah. This one is most like I would expect andouille to be. In your face, lots of spices and flavor, garlic, pork, casing, bold. That is it, bold. This one is much milder, very tasty, evenly balanced. Do not taste any sugar on either of these two. So, my favorite's that one, and that's Chef Aidells. Sam's Club, very close second. They're almost in a tie, which is surprising. I was disappointed in Johnsonville. Their products are usually typically very good, but it's like for a kid. Very sweet, very mild, very pasty. So, anyway, thanks for sharing, people. I will tell you that there is gumbo in the near future utilizing these andouille sausages, and I will certainly post it. So I appreciate you watching and commenting. Like and subscribe, and y'all take care.